Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change CSC code on Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. Okay, first let's open up the settings. Now let's scroll all the way down. About phone, when it comes to the exact model number, it's right in here. It's SMA336B. Now if you go to the software information and then scroll down, in here we can see what is the current CSC, and in my case it's EUX that's for European market, and now we are going to change it. And also you need to be aware that there is a small chance that when you change the CSC, the phone will perform the factory reset. It's a small chance, but it's still here. So, for example, before changing the CSC, you can create a backup of your data. Okay, and now we need to enable the USB debugging. To do it, we need to tap on the build number 7 times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. And then go back to the main page of the settings, then scroll down, developer options, keep scrolling down until you find USB debugging. You need to enable that and click on OK. Okay, once we have it, now we need to download a few things. Visit our page, HardReset.Info, and go straight to download section. And in here we need to type Samsung drivers. Okay, select Samsung drivers and hit the download button. Then go back to download section and now type SAM space FRP, enter, and you gotta download the SAM FRP bypass tool. But before you click download button, you need to turn off your antivirus for now. Don't worry, this app is not a threat or anything like that. Basically, every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we gotta turn it off. So you gotta go into virus and threat protection if you're using Windows Defender, of course. I'm using it, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection, then manage settings, and for now we need to turn off the real-time protection. Okay, then you can click download button. Okay, once we have it, and we gotta go to the download section, download folder on our computer, and in here we have our bypass tool and the Samsung drivers. We need to extract those two files. I'm using WinRAR, so right-click, WinRAR, and extract to. If you're using a different app, go ahead. Or you can click on extract all and extract if you don't have any app to unpack those files. Okay, now we gotta install Samsung drivers. So open up the folder and double-click to start the installation. Okay, click on next, next, and install. Now we gotta keep waiting. And same thing with the FRP bypass tool. Double click and launch it. Click on accept, next, 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 and install. Next. Okay. Now we gotta keep waiting. We can unselect to launch the tool, because we need to wait for the Samsung driver. So we need to wait now until it's finished. Okay, it has installed, so let's click on finish. And now you need to restart the computer if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, because if you don't restart, it won't work. So have that in mind. Now we can launch our bypass tool, SAMF tool, launch it up. Okay, here we have it. And now we need to connect our phone using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original Samsung USB-C cable. If you don't have the original one, of course you can use a different, good quality USB-C cable. Now connect your phone to your computer. Now we have notification. Do we want to allow access to phone data? Click on allow. And it's really important that in our FRP2 app, we need to see our device as a Samsung modem right in here where I'm pointing at. If you see this, everything is okay. If you don't see it, you might have to restart the computer or wait or change the cable because if you don't see it, it won't work. Okay, now in our case, everything is okay. We gotta go to MTP, select now change CSC, select always allow from this computer and click on allow. Okay, and in here we have the list of all CSCs available for our device. Now select phone supported CSC and select the one that you want from the list. As you can see, the list is pretty long. If you don't know what country you are selecting from the list, because each CSC represents a country, you can go to this page, open up a new tab, type samfw.com, consent, enter device name or model number, Galaxy A33, A33 6B in my case. Okay, then keep scrolling down. In here you can see the list of all CSCs. Okay, maybe I will pick the Serbia, which is TOP. So let's do it. TOP, and now click on change. We just gotta wait now. The phone will do the job. Okay. In here, click on no, I do not want to. And we can see that it has finished. Changing CSC to TOP, okay. And now we just need to wait until the phone turns on. And we'll verify our CSC. Now we can unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. So let's keep waiting and we'll verify everything in the settings. You can also close the program. We won't be needing it anymore. Okay, the phone has turned on. Let's go to the settings now. Settings, scroll all the way down. About phone. Software information, keep scrolling down. And as you can see, it has successfully changed to TOP. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.